I have right here interesting camera from ieGeek. It has solar panel included. It has 2K recording, so not 4K, but better than Full HD. It has PTZ, so we can rotate the camera. It also has color night vision and few more functions. It sounds really interesting, but we will see in practice what's the quality of this image. So let's first see what they say about this camera on the box. ieGeek wire-free 2K PTZ battery security camera with solar panel, HD resolution, colorful night vision, AI recognition, PIR motion detect, 360 PTZ, 355 pan and 120 tilt, and rechargeable. We have a mobile app, and in the app we have live view, recording history, custom alarm time, two-way audio, instant notification, multi-user access, and custom alarm area. And here's a QR code for the app, ieGeek Cam app, and some other information on the bottom. So let's open the box and see what is included. User manual, solar panel with USB-C end. Attention, please remove this label before use. And here we have a QR code for installation details video. And this is the solar panel, not too small, not too big, just enough for the camera with quite long cable. So a solar panel can be moved in a better place than the camera is. So a useful thing to have long enough cable. Here we have a mount for the solar panel. Here we have a USB-A to USB-C cable. Here is the camera with screws. And on the back here we have a plate for mounting the camera. So we can screw it to the wall or to something else. And we can mount the camera on it. And at the bottom we have a release to take off the camera and the protection on front. And here we have a camera, lights and PIR sensor. On the bottom we have two buttons, power and reset, and slot for micro SD card. You can also see holes probably for microphone, and on the back probably for the speaker. And right here we have a USB-C port for charging the device or for connecting the solar panel to also charge the device. Let's install the app and create the account. The app is ready, so let's pair the camera to my account. Let's press the power button on the bottom. Let's try to scan this QR code on the body. Now I am connecting the camera to the Wi-Fi, and I can see the network diagnostic and the live view from the camera. Let's put inside a SD card and let's mount it outside and test the quality of the image. I will use zip ties as a temporary solution. The solar panel is connected to the camera. Camera is monitoring a place where a wired camera would be problematic. And let's test quality of the video. And let's do test at night in an infrared mode and in a color mode. In the color mode, it is turning on the light when it detects the movement, but we have third option, intelligent. Now it should by default record in infrared, and when it detects the motion it should switch to the color vision. Let's try it. It detected me, it turned on the light, and it is recording me in the color, and when I will go out it should switch back to the infrared light. When I close the preview it went back to the infrared. As you can see, it is waiting for the movement. If you are looking for a wireless security camera with no required monthly fee for your front door, backyard or driveway, I think this ieGeek camera is worth checking out. It covers the core features most people need, and since there is no ongoing subscription required for basic use, it can be more cost effective in the long run. I will leave the link in the description for anyone interested, and that's all for today. Like, subscribe and be nice.